Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a virtual machine with VMware, full guide step by step clearly. Open VMware Workstation or VMware Player on your computer. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical for the configuration type and click Next. Choose the install. You can use an ISO file, CD, DVD, or other media. If using an ISO file, browse to its location and select it. Click Next after selecting your installation media. Enter a name for your virtual machine. Choose a location on your hard drive to store the virtual machine files. Click Next to proceed. Select the number of processors and core settings based on your system's capabilities. Click Next when you're satisfied with the CPU configuration. Allocate memory for your virtual machine. A recommended amount is usually between 2 and 4 GB, depending on your needs. Click Next after setting the memory. Choose the network type for your virtual machine. Options typically include bridged, NAT, or host-only. Click Next to continue. Select the option for creating a new virtual disk. Click Next to proceed with disk configuration. Choose the disk size based on your usage requirements. A minimum of 20 GB is generally recommended for most operating systems. Decide whether to store the virtual disk as a single file or multiple files. Single files are typically more efficient for performance. Click Next once you've made your choice. Review the settings in the summary window. If everything looks correct, click Finish to create the virtual machine. The virtual machine will now appear in your library. Select the virtual machine and click Start to power it on. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard for your chosen operating system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.